The Carity Foundation, we visited with Taylor last year. He's been here a couple of years. You know, it's a great foundation. Been part of it a couple of years now.
Well, you know, the first thing you need to do is create awareness, and because the compassion in people is inherent, and so we've done a few events. We did some in Weatherford, obviously, you know, bringing the cast and the energy that the Yellowstone has to Carity has helped create awareness there. And the goal is just to raise as much money as we can, because they spend every dollar to make a difference. So everything that I can do to facilitate that, I want to do. Yeah, well, the great challenge right now, you know, we have a situation where we have a new illness, and that illness is affecting the way that people interact, and it's affecting their daily lives. But people still get cancer at a rate of 200,000 a month, and because people are scared to go to the doctor, you're going to find a situation where you have a lot of stage 4 diagnoses that could have been stage 3 diagnoses because they're not going to the doctor because they're scared. So there's going to be a time coming here, as much as everyone needs Carity now, 6 months from now, a year from now, they're going to need it a lot more, because people are going to find themselves in a worse situation than they might have been in had they gone to their regular checkup, had doctors stop you being in situations where they could take regularly scheduled clients. So we got to plan for the future, and we've got to prepare now, because there's as good as things are going as far as raising money and awareness, we are looking at a situation where things are going to get worse, and we have to be prepared.
You know, we've heard that, you know, Yellowstone's going to do a couple hours every week or an hour every week, or
it's nothing is going to change.
Nothing.
You're going to get an hour every Wednesday night for 10 episodes, and then I'm going to make you sweat for 9 months, and then you'll get 10 more.
Right? They're going to wait. All right, you heard it from the man with the plan. He told you. Don't worry.